Welcome to Twinkl Crafts, the hub of everything homemade. Here you'll discover a variety of things to make at home or at school, from cards to cross stitch and everything in between. At Twinkl, we cater to your craft needs. To enjoy our crafts, simply search for Twinkl Crafts before selecting the craft you'd like to make. Alternatively, you can scroll down on the Twinkl website, click Twinkl Crafts and enjoy our ever-growing collection of craft templates, video tutorials and designs. We have heaps of craft activities for children of all ages, from recycled material crafts for younger children designed to develop key motor skills, to craft activities for older children using a wide range of materials in new and creative ways. You're sure to find an inspiring craft activity here. Looking for a new hobby? Start your next favourite hobby today with our collection of craft content perfect for beginners. Choose a craft medium to explore and dive into our range of templates and patterns so you can get started with a beautiful craft project straight away. Christmas, Easter, Halloween and everything in between, crafts and craft activities are perfect all year round. Check out our seasonal crafts calendar and find a collection of craft activities for all of those special dates throughout the year. Once you find a craft that you'd like to try, simply click the green Download Now button. Some crafts, such as this adult cross stitch, will come with a colour version and a black and white printable pattern, while other crafts like this Tudor crown template comes with printable instructions to help you and your children every step of the way, plus the printable template. You might also find some craft video tutorials in your craft hunt. If that's the craft for you, simply click the green Launch button. A video player will open in another window and you can get started straight away. Here at Twinkl Crafts, we're always creating new designs and crafty ideas to keep you busy. Our wonderful team are constantly adding brand new resources for you to explore. We have amazing craft content for every event, celebration and season. So come and check out our growing collection of craft activities for children and adults today. Happy crafting!